In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert headers in Microsoft Word in just about 5 minutes. Starting off, let's dive into the Windows Start menu. This is pretty straightforward. Click on the little icon at the bottom left of your screen, which might look like a window, or might simply have the Windows logo. This action will bring up the Start menu, which is essentially the gateway to all the applications and settings on your computer. Once you've opened the Start menu, you'll need to locate Microsoft Word. The quickest way to do this is to use the search bar located right at the top of the menu that just popped up. Type in Word, and you'll see Microsoft Word appear as one of the top results under Best Match. It's usually represented by a blue rectangle with the letter W on it. If for any reason you can't locate Word, make sure you've got it installed on your computer, or consider reaching out for some tech support. But in most cases, Microsoft Word should pop right up after a quick search. After you've located Microsoft Word, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the application, and from here you're a couple of steps closer to inserting those headers into your document. Microsoft Word will either open the last document you were working on, or it will prompt you to open a new document or choose among recent ones. At this point, you'll want to navigate to the document you wish to add headers to. It could be a new document or an existing one. The choice is yours. If it's a new document, Word usually opens up a blank page for you to start typing. However, if it's an existing document, locate it under the Open tab by either browsing recent documents or using the folder icon to search your computer's directories. Once your document is open and ready, the next step involves heading to the Insert tab. Look at the top menu bar of Microsoft Word. It stretches across the screen with different tabs labeled Home, Design, Layout, and so forth. Click on the one that says Insert. Doing so will alter the toolbar below it to display a variety of things you can insert into your document, such as tables, pictures, charts, and yes, headers. After you've clicked on the Insert tab, it's time to locate the header option. It's typically found in the first group of options on the left under the Insert tab. The icon is pretty straightforward, but if you hover your mouse over it, a tooltip will appear confirming that it's indeed the header option. Click on this to proceed. A drop-down menu will appear with a wide array of header styles to choose from. These range from simple text headers to ones with more complex designs, including placeholders for document titles, dates, and page numbers. Select the one that best suits the style of your document or the requirements set forth by your instructor or publication guidelines. If you're unsure, a simple header is often a good place to start as it's unobtrusive and professional looking. After selecting your header style, the header section in your document becomes editable. You can type in whatever information you need there, be it a title, your name, the page number, or even a combination of those. Keep in mind that whatever you type in the header will appear on every page of your document, which is especially handy for long documents where you want to maintain consistency across pages. And there you have it. Adding headers in Microsoft Word is just that simple. With these instructions, we've covered the basics to get you started. Remember, playing around with different header styles and formatting options can give your document a polished and professional look. Plus, headers are incredibly useful for organizing your documents and making them more readable, especially if they're lengthy. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't hesitate to experiment with different header designs and configurations until you find what works best for you and your document. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial makes your Microsoft Word experience even smoother and more productive.